A modern high-efficiency boiler is a precision-engineered machine. Treating it like an old-school radiator by skipping your annual service is like expecting a high-performance sports car to run forever without an oil change. It simply cannot survive on guesswork. Take a look at this breakdown. Many homeowners fall into a cycle of false hope, skipping a standard annual maintenance fee to save a little cash. But they are actually gambling that small savings against a $10,000 total unit replacement when the neglected system inevitably fails. Because of this extreme risk, reputable professionals enforce a strict zero-gap service policy. We can only perform standard maintenance on units that possess a continuous service history and a code-compliant installation. Today, we are going to walk through a physical audit of your system. Step by step, we will verify your unit's history and lock in a schedule that keeps your manufacturer warranty fully compliant. By shifting from a passive homeowner to an active steward of your mechanical room, you take control of your equipment. That is the reliable path to guaranteeing safe, predictable heat straight through a freezing Massachusetts winter. Let's start the audit. Head down to your mechanical room and gather your specific manufacturer's manual, whether it is Navien, Lochinvar, or Viessmann, along with every past service receipt you can find. Next, identify the original installation date of your boiler. Cross-reference that date with your stack of invoices to see if there are any skipped years in your service record. This timeline illustrates the strict 12-month interval required by manufacturers. A single missing service entry between year 1 and year 3 instantly voids the underlying warranty document. A single gap permanently alters the unit's status, invalidating the legal baseline for a simple tune-up. A continuous service history is the gateway to keeping your equipment legally protected and eligible for service. Now look closely at your unit. Visually locate the plastic condensate line near the bottom, and then identify the main metal casing of the heat exchanger right in the center. High-efficiency condensing technology pulls maximum heat from your fuel, but it produces a highly acidic runoff in the process. Without an annual trap cleaning, this acidic water backs up and steadily eats away at the critical rubber seals inside your system. The second major threat attacks the main casing, mineral scaling inside the stainless steel or copper heat exchanger. This cross-section shows internal damage. Uncleaned mineral buildup insulates water from the heat source, creating a glowing red hotspot on the metal wall. The system runs hotter to compensate. This concentrated heat causes intense stress, leading to rapid metal fatigue and severe microcracking. Once these cracks occur, the system is beyond repair, leading to a total unit replacement. Scheduling your annual maintenance is a strict chemical and thermal defense protocol, preventing corrosion and structural destruction. Step 3 is organizing your paperwork. Create a dedicated physical file for your manual and all future invoices. Many people assume a warranty provides unconditional protection. The reality, written in the manual, is that parts coverage is always conditional based on your actions. In the event of a catastrophic failure, manufacturers demand documented proof of continuous annual professional service before approving a claim. Look at this sample invoice. You need radical transparency during service calls, which means demanding side-by-side photographic proof from your technician, showing your dirty condensate trap next to a fully cleaned one. Meticulous documentation successfully transfers the financial risk of a major component failure back to the manufacturer. Now, pull out your smartphone or calendar. We are going to lock in your recurring service appointment right now. On this 12-month calendar, focus on August and September. This is your preventative scheduling window, where you must book calls before heating season begins. October is your execution phase. Your technician arrives to clean the trap, descale the exchanger, and verify AFUE ratings. This October service turns November through April into your predictable comfort zone, protected from heating failures. This rigid calendar ensures continuous compliance with strict local regulations and your specific manufacturer requirements. Automating this annual schedule removes the guesswork and drastically reduces the likelihood of an emergency midwinter failure. You have successfully completed the audit. By setting this standard, you shift from passively hoping your boiler survives the winter to actively engineering its longevity. This preparation creates deep peace of mind, shielding you from the visceral panic of an unexpected breakdown during a heavy February blizzard. Do not wait for your heat exchanger to crack to realize you missed a mandatory year of maintenance. Take responsibility for your system's longevity by executing your zero-gap plan today.